Fairy Tale: The Boy Who Cried Wolf. There was a boy who was keeping sheep on the grass hill. One day the shepherd boy became so bored, so he decided to have some fun. He cried out loud, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf!" The villagers who heard this ran to the hill. "Wolf? Where is it?" "I'm just kidding." The people went back angry. A few days later, the boy became bored again. So he cried out once more, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf!" The villagers who heard this ran to the hill. "Wolf? Where is it?" "I'm just kidding. You all got tricked again." The people went back angry. After a while, a real wolf appeared. The boy was scared and cried out, "Ah! Wolf! Wolf! There's a real wolf!" But this time no one came to help. The boy lost all his sheep.